You can earn $400 in less than 10 minutes of work. First of all, go over to this website. This is logoground.com. Some of you guys may know what is this website. And if you don't know, this is a platform that we can make money by selling logos. But don't worry, we don't need any logo design skills for this method. Because I will show you a tool that does all the work for you within 2 minutes. Here you can see over 300k people visit their website. And over 100,000 logos are sold. Here you can see so many logos are listed here. And here you can see recent sales of logos. You can see these logos are so simple. And people like you sold it over $200 or $300. So you can guess this website's earning potential is so high. And you can check top logo designers' profile from here. And you can check the top 100 logos from here. So that you can get an idea about the logo if you don't have one. You can see this logo looks so simple. Don't worry about creating because now I will show you how you can create this kind of logo. But before I show you the free tool, you must create a free worldwide account on this website so that you can upload and list your logo for sale. Simply click on this Sell Logos button right here and you will land on this page. Here enter your real first name, real surname, enter your email, type your username, type a password, then solve this easy math. Click this box. Then click on this Create Account button right here. After that, when you log into your account, it will look like this. Here you can check how many logos you upload and how much money you make. Now go to this free tool called Crello.com. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Smash the like button and also comment down below what country you are in right now. In that way, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country name in the comment down below. Now let's get started. If you don't use this tool before, simply click on the sign up button right here. Simply enter your email and strong password, then click on the sign up button right here. When you log into your account, it looks like this. Now type the logo in the search bar and click the search icon right here. Once you do that, you will find so many ready-made logos here. You can see that logo looks so professional. Simply click on any logo. You will land on this page. Here you can customize your logo. You can change background color, font size, font color, and many more. When you finish customization, simply click on the download button to download this logo. After download, this logo goes back to Logoground. And click Upload News Logos. Fill up this short form and upload your logo. It's all done like that. You need to upload logos as many as you can. Because more you upload, more you will earn. That is for today's video. But wait. If you think this method is complicated for you, then watch this easy method video.